Hi, I'm Dakota Shafer of Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs, and today I want to talk to you about how to re-caulk your bathtub and countertops. The process is the same and it's a really easy thing that you can do at home with just a couple of tools. So the first step in that process is just to remove the kids and toys from the bathtub. Okay, so the actual first step is just to remove the old caulking. And I like to use a painter's 5-in-1 tool. You can get these at any hardware store for just a few bucks, and they work great for this and other projects around your home, so it's not a bad thing to have around. They do have specialized tools to remove caulking, but these work just as well. So obviously you just take this and start to scrape and cut the caulk away. Okay, so once you've gone all the way around the tub and removed the caulking, you just want to make sure that the crack is nice and clean. So take your 5-in-1 tool and get in there and get any grime or anything like that out of there. And then make sure it's good and clean, whether you do it with a paper towel or a scrub brush or even an old toothbrush works great for that. Make sure it's nice and clean so that the caulk can adhere to the tub and the tile at that point. If you have bad mildew or anything like that, you want to make sure and maybe address it at this time, but if you're clean, you're ready to go ahead and caulk the tub. So go ahead and prepare your caulking gun. Cut the tip very fine. If you need any tricks on how to do the caulking tube and caulking gun, check out the video on the screen now. But get your caulking gun ready and just lay a light bead all the way around where you're wanting the caulk to go. And less is better with this because you can always add more. So just a nice bead of caulk right through the crack. Okay, and then take your finger. They make tools for this as well, but the finger works just as well, so why spend the money? And just lightly run your finger over the bead to seal everything and make it look nice. You might need to touch up a couple of spots, add a little bit more caulking, but go all the way around your tub, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit the contact button on our page or call the number on the screen. And we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel for more homeowner maintenance tips.